the iPad Air 5th generation, which includes the magnificent M1 chip. This has 256 gigs of storage. This device, this type of iPad is great for work and great for play. Something you can use in the meantime. Even if you have a larger or more proficient iPad, this is perfect for all the in-between stuff. And with this, you're getting a 10.9-inch liquid retina display with True Tone and of course P3 wide color gamut, which means you're gonna get good quality colors out of this, as well as anti-reflective coating. The M1 chip is 60% faster than the previous gen iPad. You get 5 distinct colors. I have the space gray or space black, however you want to, perceive it. As you guys can see there, you get one camera, 12 megapixels, as well as a 12 megapixel on the front, which includes center stage. Touch ID and the power button right there. Ooh. Because of that M1 chip, this teeters on professional workflows in terms of Logic Pro, Final Cut Pro, and other 3D capable apps. Amazing, truly amazing out of this 10.9-inch iPad Air. Let me know down in the comment section below whether or not you guys also have used this or have been even contemplating using an iPad of this nature. Now, as we continue on, the M chip also allows for better multitasking and smooth performance. AAA games will be coming to this iPad as well as a result of that M1 chip. And you get much improved machine learning. So that way, if you do take advantage of like a Final Cut Pro or something like that, it's able to do scene removal masks, which is pretty interesting considering that it's an iPad, but it also has an M1 chip. Now, of course, you get slightly larger bezels. However, the nice part about this is that it's buttonless on the front, which is something that I really like. Camera over here on the left for whatever reason. Now, with the 10th generation iPads, they got it right by putting the camera up there. I don't know why this refresh, as well as you could argue the 2022 iPad Pro still maintains the camera in portrait style. I don't understand why they did that, but it is what it is. Because of the M1 chip as well, along with this package size, you get all-day battery life, and you also achieve so much more performance out of this. I mean, I don't know what else to really say. You get an M1 chip and an iPad. That's pretty interesting. My experience with the M2 and my iPad Pro, absolutely stunning, phenomenal. Editing videos has been a joy. It's been almost a breeze. Again, learning DaVinci is something that you have to put work into. But having this M1 chip, whether or not I use this for any of that type of stuff, just from a work perspective, this is going to definitely come in handy, being able to achieve work with a breeze. And multitasking will also help with that. Now, of course, with the option that you have for this, you have a cellular model as well as a Wi-Fi model, and that Wi-Fi model has Wi-Fi 6, and the cellular includes 5G connectivity, which is also amazing. You get a Folio keyboard and a Magic Keyboard for this, USB-C right there, beautiful, which allows you to transfer data at 2 times the speed of the previous iPads as well. And this iPad Air is also compatible with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Ain't that something? Continuing on, you do get an additional box, which includes all your paperwork, stuff that most people do not concern themselves with. You get a nice little booklet here, which more or less kind of showcases everything that you don't even care about. You get your little SIM tool SIM ejection, that's what I was looking for. Get a battery brick, which is amazing, and you get a USB-C to C cable. What a device we have here, topped off with iPad OS 17, which takes iOS 17, throws a tablet flavor on it, allowing it to be optimized for more landscape-based flows, as well as more tablet unique features that you will get the experience with this iPad. So this is the quick unboxing for the iPad Air. I'm looking forward to setting this thing up with my iPad Pro is letting me know to set up a new iPad. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So stay tuned for the next video. In the meantime, if you guys haven't already, make sure you ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that was my videos. So that way, sit back, check, see what's cracking. With your man Micah, sign out. Until the next video. What a beautiful dark color this is.